This is a drive image file from PowerQuest, software that hasn't existed for 20 years. You need a legacy version of Norton Ghost or the original PowerQuest tool to mount it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's mount the drive. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party PQI file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. A PQI file is a disk image created by PowerQuest Drive Image, a now discontinued disk imaging and backup utility. It contains a sector-by-sector copy of a hard drive or partition, allowing users to create backups of their entire system or specific volumes. These images can be used to restore the system to a previous state in case of data loss or system failure. PQI files store raw disk data, including the file system structure, boot sector, and all files and folders. The image is typically compressed to reduce file size. Restoration involves writing the image data back to the original disk or partition, effectively overwriting the existing data with the contents of the image. The format is proprietary to PowerQuest. The software default for the PQI file type is the solution provided by Symantec's PowerQuest Drive Image. The file's visual data is accessible but requires specialized software for metadata reading. Windows exposes only file properties, so navigating backup content requires supported tools. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the PQI file and hit Open With. Use PowerQuest Drive Image if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. When your PQI file does not open, it is usually a small issue. When the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these three focused troubleshooting steps now. First, use Drive Image. Open the file using Symantec Norton Ghost or an associated PowerQuest Symantec Drive Imaging software. Next, use Restore function. Launch the application and use its restore function to load the disk image. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. Failures with installed programs usually stem from PQI being a duplicate extension used by various unrelated software creators. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. I strongly recommend FileMagick for its sheer power. It has the rare capacity to bypass corruption in PQI files and reveal the data instantly. That's a feature worth having. FileMagick.com. Head down to the comments if you need anything else, and remember to subscribe to keep these fixes coming. Your file corruption should be history.